Hi, my dear children. Are you all fine? Hope you are doing well and all are very interested in doing all the activities. I have noticed everything very beautiful. Okay, my dear children. So, how was the exams and all? Very good. Okay, so I know that you have done well. Now, tell me what all things we have learned in the previous class. Yes, about the simple machines. Do you remember that? Okay, so what all points we have discussed? Do you like that previous class video I made with the cartoon pictures and all? Do you enjoyed that video? Yes, I know that. Okay, so I will tell you what all things we have discussed in the previous class about the simple machines. Okay, so in olden times, we may use some tools to do the work. So these tools, in fact, we call that simple machines. So these machines helps our work to do it easier. Is it? That is all we discussed in the previous class. Okay, now how many simple machines are there? There are 6 types. Is it? What are they? Lever, wheel and axle, then pulley, inclined plane, then screw, wedge. Is it? That all things we have to discuss in this chapter. But in the previous class we have discussed about the lever and also with the wheel and axle. So today we are going to discuss about the pulley, inclined plane, screw, wedge. Okay. And children, one more thing. I have noticed with the comment box, most of the children have written that about the bottle opener. Very good. It's a second class lever. Very correct also. Okay. So how many types of, how many classes are there for the lever? 3 classes. First class, second class and the third class. I think you have enjoyed with that and you understood about it, is it? So today, like that, we'll move with the next 4. What are they? Pulley, inclined plane, screw and also with the wedge. Okay. So are you all ready to listen for this also? Yes, very good. My 5th standard children, I love you all because you are all doing very good. Helping your parents, everything you are doing it in the beautiful way. So proud of you, my children. And I love you all very much. I miss you all. That's what I have to say. Anyway, so let's learn about this. Are you all waiting for this? So without any delay, we'll go to that. Okay, enjoy this. What all things we are going to discuss here. Okay, my dear children, listen for that. So here is the pulley. A pulley is a grooved wheel around which a rope or belt is passed. It's a simple machine which helps to change the direction of the force. The pulley, together with a rope or chain, can be used to lift heavy weights or to change the direction of the force. Now, children, pulleys can be of 2 types, fixed or movable. Now, see this about the fixed pulley. The fixed pulley is most commonly used on flagpoles. Got it? So a flag is tied to a rope which goes round the pulley. So this pulley is fixed to the top of the flagpole. By pulling the other end of the rope downwards, so the flag is raised. In this way, the pulley helps in changing the direction of the effort required to raise the flag. Have you understood? Have you noticed that the pulley is fixed on the flagpole? Have you seen that? Yes, like that we use the pulley over here. Okay, have you understood, my dear children? So this is how the pulley is used here. This is the fixed pulley. Very clear now, children? So now, and also one more thing, we have to see the single fixed pulley. Another use of the single fixed pulley is in lifting water from wells. I think you have almost watched that, and also in some houses that will be there. Am I right, children? Yes, that's all about the pulley. Okay, It's clear to you? Very good. Now let's see about the inclined plane. Do you have any idea about what is this inclined plane? Just look at this. So inclined plane is a flat surface with one end higher than the other. A road up a hill is an inclined plane, and so is the slide in a children's park. Have you noticed that? You have, I think when you are kids, you may be in that children's park, is it? And you use this slide also. Am I right, children? So that is an inclined plane. So the inclined plane is used to raise a thing which is too heavy to lift. In this machine, a small effort is needed to raise a heavy load. Have you noticed that in that picture? Yes, V itself is a heavy load. Am I right? Now see this picture, my dear children. I'll tell you once more. So the inclined plane is used to raise a thing which is too heavy to lift. So in this machine, a small effort is needed to raise a heavy load. Understood? Here we are going to learn with the wedges and screws. You can see the simple machines over on the table. And for here, objective is to learn about the wedges and screws. See that man lift the axe and trying to break that piece of wood. See how effort he took for. Can you see that? Yes, it's very difficult. So what he do is, he use a wedge. What is this? A wedge is a double inclined plane in the shape of V. Its landing sides are used to split objects very easily. See now what he is doing? Yes, with the help of the wedge, it's very easy to split up. Is it? That means he took less effort for. Got it, my dear children? Yes. So, a wedge is a double inclined plane in the shape of V. Now, he is going to take the piece of long wood, and where there is uneven parts, he took and clear it off, and after that, he is going to suit for the table. Simply, if he kept the piece of wood, is it okay? No, he took one screw. Have you seen that? What is it? It's the screw. So what is the screw? A screw is an inclined plane wrapped around a rod, cylinder or pole. Got it, my dear children? See how he is going to tie that? Screws are commonly used to hold things together. This is why carpenters prefer using screws to nails. Screws are commonly used in revolving chairs and screw jacks. Got it, my dear children? Have you understood about the screw? It's very clearly shown there, and there is an activity in your textbook how to make that screw and understand how it will. So a screw is an inclined plane wrapped around a rod. Now you understood about it? So finally we have to say once again with the wedge. A wedge is a double inclined plane in the shape of V. Its landing sides are used to split objects. Now here with the screw. Screw is an inclined plane wrapped around a rod, a cylinder or pole. Clear? Now let's have a recall on this chapter, Simple Machines. Are you all ready to? So at first we have discussed with the simple machines. It's of 6 types: lever, wheel and axle, pulley, inclined plane, screw and wedge. So first with the lever, and it's of different classes. First class lever, second class lever, third class lever. Got it, my dear children? Now the next one is wheel and axle. Before that, I would like to tell you that checkpoint. Name the class of lever. Claw hammer belongs to the first class. Bottle opener belongs to the second class. Tweezers belongs to the third class. Wheelbarrow belongs to the second class. Now the next is with the wheel and axle. That also we have discussed a lot. The wheel itself is not a machine, but it becomes one when you combine it with an axle. That's clear? Next is with the pulley, that is of today's topic. Pulley is a grooved wheel around which a rope or belt is passed. Okay, and it's a simple machine too, which helps to change the direction of the force. Next with the inclined plane. Inclined plane is a flat surface with one end higher than the other. Next with the screw. Screw is an inclined plane wrapped around a rod, cylinder or pole. And next is with the wedge. A wedge is a double inclined plane in the shape of V. Already I have told you. And its landing sides are used to split objects. In a wedge, usually one side is sharper than the other. An axe, a knife and a blade are examples of a wedge. Children, have you understood about it? Really? Okay, now what you have to do is, you have to go with the checkpoints. Now I'll ask you a question here to comment in the comment box. Are you all ready to? So listen my question. Pulley helps to change the direction of the, you have to fill this, okay, and give your comments in the comment box. Children, hope you have understood this chapter very clearly. So that's all about this chapter. For the next video class, we will be with a new chapter and with very interesting. So love you all my children. Have a nice day.